Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD screen assembly on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, release the adhesive on the bottom of the battery. Next, fold the graphite tape and secure it. Next, pull out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue under the battery. For this, you can use a heat gun, hair dryer or heat mat. And then use a pry tool or car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, gently pull out the battery from the body. Next, disconnect 2 antenna heads from the logic board. Next, move the graphite tape and disconnect 2 connector plugs. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, undo the screw holding the logic board. Next, gently take out the logic board from the body. Next, take out the earpiece module. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, undo the screw on the charging port board. Next, gently pry the main flex cable and antennas from the body. Next, pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the vibrator motor. If needed, add some heat to soften the adhesive on the motor flex. Now, the only remaining part is a broken screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are 2 different screen types. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And the price difference is slight. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing the removed parts. First, secure the earpiece module. Next, gently place and secure the logic board to the frame. Connect the LCD plug and insert the SIM tray. Secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the charging port board. And place both antennas on the frame. And then connect both antennas to the logic board. Next, secure the main flex by connecting from both ends. Next, secure the battery by adding adhesive. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, place the graphite tape. Next, secure the tape on the bottom. Next, connect the battery plug and place the fingerprint button. Next, secure the board frame by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or only double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.